Duck Overdrive with bass clone.
Yellow little friend floating in the tub tonight with a mullet at the heavy bass club. No time to be serious, no time to be cool. We are acting crazy like a happy little fool. The ducky goes squeak, the subwoofer goes boom, filling up with energy. The entire room we splash in the water, shaking the floor. The crowd is going wild, they're begging for more. Squeeze it hard, let the frequency fly. We're jumping so high we can touch the sky. Nothing in the world can ruin our mood. We are eating good vibes like our favorite food. Alpha for creation, funny and loud. Standing at the pulley from the boring old crowd. Put your hands in the air, let the ducky take the lead. This is the exact adrenaline that you need. Hear the pick sound, the rhythm is tight. We're gonna bounce hard all through the night.
3, 2, 1.
Squeak it!
Rubber duck overdrive, feel the bass pop. This is the Beretta bounce and never stop. Louder, crazy, jump till you cry. Yellow little ducky, we're flying so high. Beat, bounce to the sound. Shrieking all the buildings in the entire town.
Sari oradaksha oynadı stimku w nok. Piki pity di baslarimiz kaynok. Strong as Polat, but floating in the pool. Making that connection of the music so cool. Alpha ooze energy, funny design. Crafting the rhythm, crossing every line. Positive vibration, putting on a show. Watch the heavy subwoofer entirely glow.
Maximum speed, maximum squeak. This is the loudest anthem of the entire week. Hit a lower frequency, rattling the wall. We are standing ready and we're standing tall. No more thinking about what is wrong or right. Just bounce with the ducky in the neon light. This is the protocol, the funny decree. The craziest party in bass history.
Rubber duck overdrive, feel the wind top. Crazy, jump till you cry. Yellow little ducky, flying so high. Don't forget your ducky. Alpha ooze.